Thank you.
I'm sorry, I was not supposed to point the scissors at you.
All right.
No, that's some bad tape.
Yeah. Someone was kind of lazy with this one.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And happy home warming. This is from Betty.
Let me see.
What is it?
I don't know. Let me look.
Well, wait a minute. Read the card if there is one.
It says a bath towel. It says 6-piece bath towel set, 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels, 2 bath towels. Okay. Towels. Yes. Thank you. Definitely need towels. That's awesome. All right. Let's see what else is in here.
What the card say?
It's not. It's just a little tag telling what's in the box.
Oh!
Yes, candles. Period. Oh, she smells good.
You're doing
too.
the shimmy dance.
Yes, lavender. This smells really good. I love a good candle. Yes.
2 of them.
Period. Thank you. All right, what else we got in here? This Q-tip holder. Let me just open it. I hope I'm not tearing this up. Oh.
Well, be careful. Go slowly.
I might not even be opening this right. Oh, cute. They're perfect. They're like little jars for holding Q-tips and cotton balls and stuff. Oh, this is so cute. I love this.
That's neat.
Yeah.
That's almost like this, except for Q-tips won't fit in that.
I love this.
I have one of these.
So cool. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. I think that's everything that's in here. Let me make sure, because they be putting all this paper in here.
Okay.
I'm tired of the paper. Okay. My poor environment. All right. No, that's everything. This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Miss Betty.
Did I get it? Oh, well. I
That's
love the smile.
Thank you. Oh, I'm grateful. I love this. Okay.
So now your coffee maker is officially yours because, happy birthday.
Yes. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Now I just got to get some hangers.
Hangers. Okay, well, let's see what I got in my other room.
Thank you so very much. You didn't have to go out of your way to buy stuff for someone that you don't even know. And I am so very grateful for everything that's helping me with this transition. And I thank you so very much. Thank you very much. I feel very, very loved. And I am very happy and excited about all of these things because they're all so useful and needed. So, big gratitude. Thank you so much.
Hi, Betty, and thank you.